Costzon Giant 4 in a row, Jumbo 4 to score giant games for kids adult, indoor-outdoor party family connect game, 4 feet wide 3.5 feet tall W/42 Jumbo rings and quick release slider, dark blue, and white. Swook Games, Giant 4 in a row, all-weather, outdoor game with carrying case and noise-reducing design -60% quieter, Jumbo Connect 4 discs to win, oversized yard game for kids, adults, and family. Jumbo size, step up your game with this line. ECR 4 Kids Jumbo 4 to score giant game set with optional drink cup holders, backyard games for kids, Jumbo Connect All 4 game set, indoor or outdoor game, family fun game, 4 feet tall, green and white. Jumbo Outdoor Game Set, the Jumbo 4 to score giant game is an oversized version of the classic 4 in a row game. The large Connect All 4 is great for 2 players or teams and kids ages 3 and up. Brain boosting, our family fun games are exceptionally entertaining. This game helps enhance motor skills, hand-eye coordination, cognitive ability, problem solving. This oversized board game stands over 2 feet tall by 3 feet wide. Ideal size for both kids and adults. Nervous sweat, water and weather resistant, whether it's for the game room, by the pool or at the This exciting giant toy is perfect for playing at home, outdoors, at a birthday party or on a barbecue. With it, family game nights become even more exciting. Besides, through this game, children's motor skills, hand-eye coordination and cognitive skills